The shell feature is another useful tool that can be applied directly to a solid model. It will allow you to take solid geometry and make it hollow. This can be a powerful and time-saving technique when designing parts that call for thin walls such as plastic products. The shell is easy to use. Once you have a solid part like I have here, you activate the shell feature by clicking on this icon, or from the drop-down menu under Insert, Feature Shell. The settings are pretty basic. First, since this will become a hollow part, I have to input the wall thickness I want to end up with. Before taking a look at the remaining options here, let's take a look at what results if I finish the feature right now. At first glance, it appears nothing has changed. I do see the addition of the shell in the Feature Manager, but the model appears identical. That is, until we take a look inside. Let's switch to a wireframe display. Now you can see the difference. We have a 1/2-inch thick cylinder with the center completely removed. Now let's take a look at the other options we have. If I hold my cursor over this window, you'll see a pop-up message that says Faces to Remove. By selecting a face into this window, I'm telling SolidWorks that I want to get rid of that face once the part is hollow. And this is the result. There are two more options we'll look at. This checkbox allows me to specify whether I want the resulting wall thickness to be added to the inside or the outside of the part. When the box is checked, notice that part actually gets bigger. I'll make the shell thicker to make this more obvious. And there you see the result. The last option for the shell is the ability to pick faces that require a different thickness than the rest of the part. For example, if I wanted this part to have a wall thickness of 1/2 inch, but I want the bottom face to have a thickness of 3 inches, I just select the bottom face into this window. Type in 3 inches and this is the result.